Okay. So I'm trying to get ball joints loose so I can replace control arm bushings. Oh, and I'm having a little trouble. Everybody else online is like, oh, you're having trouble getting control arm bushings off. You know, you just come up here where the ball joint is connected to the control arm machine. You just whack that a couple times, or you get pickle fork and you put it in there and then you hammer it on. And I've tried both. They don't work. Everybody's like, oh yeah, you just hit it real good. And I'm like, dude, just check this out real quick. I'm messing with you. I don't know if you can even. Yeah, it's pretty good, I guess. I've been doing that since 9 o'clock this morning. It is currently past 5. Nothing freaking works, bro.